5 Best Butcher Block Islands. Ultimate guide to choosing the best butcher block island for your kitchen. Whether you are looking for a high-quality surface to cut or prepare food on, added storage to keep pots and pans in order, or maybe just a place to sit and eat in your kitchen, a butcher block island is a great choice that can meet all those demands. Our selections vary in the quality of wood used, the amount of shelves or storage space provided, and their portability. When users buy our independently chosen editorial choices, we may earn commissions to help fund the review parks. International Concepts Kitchen Island. Orleans Kitchen Island by Homestyles. Americana Gray Kitchen Island with drop leaf. AB01 End Grain Butcher Block Table.
It's all about quality. You'll see it in the grain. I mean, it's just, some of it's just beautiful. And that's what we're looking for. I mean, you can just sit there and stare at it and say, boy, that's going to make a beautiful top when it goes through.
They're part of the history of America. This plant was built 24 years after the Civil War ended. Most of these factories have gone overseas. This is still right here in the same location, and it's just ingrained in all of us that grew up in this area. Well, the people that have been making this, some of those old men have been over there for 40 years, maybe some of them 50 years. You know, their knowledge, the way they repair a block. These old guys are like surgeons, you know, that they know what they're doing. Everybody's got their part. Every one of us is a cog in a wheel that makes a wonderful product at the very end. And we're proud of that.
Homestyles Mobile Kitchen Island Cart.
Think about where you are, what you got